Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the best tech reviews and tips. Helicopter. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best drones of 2025. From cutting-edge features to unbeatable value, we've got it all covered. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time flyer, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned till the end to find your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content and exclusive deal-finding tips. Number 5. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a versatile and high-performance drone designed for photography and videography enthusiasts seeking professional quality results in a compact, portable package. It features a dual-camera system, combining a wide-angle and medium telephoto camera to offer enhanced creative versatility. The wide-angle camera excels in capturing sweeping landscapes, while the medium telephoto lens is perfect for highlighting details or achieving cinematic depth. Both cameras deliver stunning 4K HDR video and high-resolution stills, supported by advanced image processing for vibrant and true-to-life visuals. Number 4. Holy Stone HS900. The Holy Stone HS900 is a feature-rich drone designed for hobbyists and beginner pilots seeking a user-friendly flying experience. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera on an adjustable gimbal, it captures clear and vibrant aerial footage, making it suitable for photography and videography enthusiasts. The drone offers GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Waypoint navigation, allowing for hands-free operation and creative shooting options. Number 3. XPro Limitless 5. The XPro Limitless 5 is a high-performance drone tailored for both hobbyists and semi-professional creators, delivering advanced features in a sleek, durable design. It comes equipped with a 4K UHD camera on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring stable and crystal-clear footage for both photography and videography. The drone supports advanced GPS functionality, enabling intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint navigation, and Circle Fly for creative and automated shots. Number 2. DJI Avid 2. The DJI Avid 2 is an advanced FPV, first-person view, drone designed for immersive aerial experiences, blending cutting-edge technology with agility. Equipped with a powerful 4K camera on a stabilized gimbal, it delivers stunning video quality and smooth footage, even during dynamic flights. The drone features improved obstacle avoidance, extended flight time, and enhanced transmission range, ensuring safer and more reliable performance. Its compact and durable design makes it ideal for beginners and experienced pilots alike, offering precision control and an unparalleled flying experience. Number 1. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact and innovative drone designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering an exceptional balance of performance and ease of use. Equipped with advanced stabilization technology, it delivers smooth and high-quality footage, making it ideal for aerial photography and videography. Its intuitive controls, intelligent flight modes, and lightweight design ensure versatility and convenience, whether exploring landscapes or capturing dynamic action shots. With extended battery life and robust connectivity, the DJI Neo sets a new standard for portable drones, combining cutting-edge features with unmatched reliability. Thanks for watching. Movie Camera. Let us know in the comments which drone caught your eye or if you have a favorite we missed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews and tech deals from Consumer Flix. See you in the next video.